Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. This is video number 4. I'm making a 4th video because I think the glare at the park was just a little too much. So this way you can really see how straight this car is. Let me just go around it again. If you haven't seen the other videos, this car has had one repaint. It's a rust-free, solid North Carolina car. It's got a 350 4-barrel, a couple of goodies under the hood, but more like a sleeper. Somebody put a 4-barrel on it with an Edelbrock manifold, and he kind of painted it to make it look like it's factory stock. That explains why this car has so much pep. It's got factory AC, factory tinted glass. I know I keep saying that, but it's rare to find these with working factory air. The rally wheels are stock. It's got dual exhaust. We're going to start it up again in a minute. I made a few videos. Some didn't come out so great, so I'm just trying to make sure I get enough footage here so that everybody can see what this car is all about. Very, very straight car, very clean, great cruiser. 88,000 miles, I'm told, is original. Can't swear to it. It wasn't there for every mile, but that's what I was told by the 94-year-old gentleman that owned this car. Actually, his son. But let's see. He made that custom wood center console. It's very, very cool. I'm going to leave it in here. I can't use it for my other car. The other El Camino's got a 4-speed, so that will not work. My phone number, if anybody wants to give me a call and talk about this car, 704-508-2150. The website's buyasoutherncar.com. These wheels are factory color-coded to the bottom rocker there. And that stripe also. Pretty neat. I'm going to fire it up so you can hear it again. Just got a minor little bit hint of a cam in it. It's hard to find a car like this that's as stock as this car is. Nobody's done anything to it, pretty much. Dual exhaust sounds great. I love these wheels. They're different. Everybody's got rally, vet rally wheels on their El Caminos, and it's a nice, different touch. These are 14s. It's nice to see these. It really is. These were available on the Camaros, I think the Novas, up until around 74, I believe. But she sounds great. This is a good, solid car. Look how dark that factory tinted glass is. A little bit of dust and dirt in there, but that's about it. I wasn't going to sell this car. My intention was to keep it. I've just got too many cars right now, so I have to rehome this one. So somebody give me a call, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, guys, this is video number 4. Over and out. Thanks for looking.